the best of potato wedges.
Did a great job with this. Very, very good.
Boom! What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Joannis or Joe Hatagwa. I'm a Sierra Leonean American living in West Africa, and I'm in Sierra Leone right now. And if you want to know what a $155 per night hotel room looks like here in Freetown, Sierra Leone, then this is the video for you. All right, cool. So today we are at the famous Radisson Blu Mammy Yoko Hotel. Now, the Radisson Blu is a place where the ball-in events happen. You guys may have seen me film some ball-in events here. That's a big event here. If you know, you know. Also, it's a hotel where I like to work from. You guys also know that I tend to work from different hotels here in Sierra Leone, whether it's the lobby or downstairs at their bar at the Radisson Blu. So I usually work down there. It gets me away from like a large group of people. I also can sit in a booth where it's almost soundproof, sort of, but you get a little bit of privacy. You get to be in your own space, and then of course you can order food. So I'm gonna take you actually on a tour of a hotel room. So I stayed there while I was here in Sierra Leone for a couple of days to get a chance to see what the hotel room looks like if you ever decided to stay at the Radisson Blu. So let's check it out. Christmas tree, piano here, bar down there, bar. This is a little seating area where I like to sit and work from time to time. There's actually a computer over there. There's a printer, a bunch of seats. This is kind of the best place to sit because you can just get a view of everything that's going on and anybody that comes in. All right, first things first, you have your thermometer. You have just 2 light switches. So you have the light there. When you walk in, you have your bathroom. Of course, standard is your toilet with some toilet paper, trash can there in the corner. You have your sink with extra lighting. You have a mirror here. They do give you antibacterial hand sanitizer. They also give you some kind of shower gel and a shower cap. They also make sure that there's like water cups available, so that's also good. Obviously, here's the sink, standard issue sink, nothing special. They do give you extra towel at the bottom and some tissues. You get a hand towel, you get a floor mat towel, you get a regular towel, not too big, and then they do give you a conditioner and a shampoo. Interestingly enough, they gave some strange random shampoo. They get a bar of soap, and then here's the shower itself. Nice size shower. All right, so now we're going on into the main area. You also have a mirror before you walk out. So you have your closet, not a ton of space, but you can hang some things up, and it comes with some hangers itself. I always, of course, fly with my own hangers when I'm bringing suits and things like that, and I always hang them up. You also get a safe. So if there's anything that is of value and you're gonna be leaving your room, what I also like is they give you a shoehorn. Most places don't give you a shoehorn, so that's cool. So they give you a shoehorn. You also have the laundry document. So if you wanna get your laundry done, you basically just mark off the number of items. So that is about $7 for a dress, $6 for a jacket, $8 for a suit, pants and top. So as you go down, that's the price list here. So that's for laundry. If you want to do dry cleaning, the prices are here. It's the same thing, just if you look at from the left to right, this is if you do the laundry on all these items. This is if you do dry cleaning on these items. And that's for ladies at the top, and then at the bottom, it's for the gentleman prices. So if you want it hung up or if you want it folded, and then they do a grand total, and then they, tell you how much it's going to be. This usually takes about 48 hours or 24 hours, at least from my experience. But here's what you can do. So if you want to do it express in 3 hours, it's 50% express service charge. So whatever you chose is a plus 50%. So the natural laundry service picks up before 9 a.m. is returned by 7 p.m. the same day. If it's after 9 a.m., it's returned by 1 p.m. the next day. And you can get your stuff ironed between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. as well. So I'm gonna actually have them iron a shirt for me. So this is the information, right, of the hotel and its address. So when you wanna have your laundry done, you just put it in this bag with this filled out. You keep a copy for yourself, and then you call them and they will then come pick up your laundry for you. All right, so that's the laundry process. Okay, so here is the bed. It is it a queen size bed? It looks like more of a queen size bed. Forgive me, all my stuff is just all over the place because I checked in last night. But as you can see, you get a little bit of a drawer here, a dresser, which just houses a lot of the TV stuff if you need it, but there's nothing in there actually. And then there's the guide with all the channels. This is from 2019, so I don't know how new or old this is. I'm guessing most of these are the same channels, but these are the channels that you get. Of course, you have a TV, which is on, but I'm never going to use it. So it is what it is. You get a wine glass, 2 wine glasses, 2 water glasses, and you get complimentary water for those who are staying. You also have a hot water heater if you like. There's some documents that you can use. You have envelopes here, which is nice. There's some paper that you can use. There's a mirror here. The outlet's there, of course. All of my stuff is plugged in. I have all of my items, some food that I'm eating, my to-do list, my laptop, and my second screen. Here is what I have as my outside view. But before I get there, let's look at the little breakfast nook. So you do have a little chair and a little table here if you want to eat breakfast. This is where I tend to eat. I don't usually eat at the work desk. I eat here. So a little old chair there. And then that sees out into the pool area and the tennis courts. We do have an outdoor space, which is nice. So if you want to go out into the outdoor space, just in case you want to be outside and you want to enjoy the outdoors, this is the outdoor space. I don't really spend too much time here, but I can. So now this right here is the rooftop and the overseeing where you eat. There's a dinner place and you want to eat outside. This covers the outside, so in case it rains. So unfortunately on the second floor is going to be the top of that. It is what it is, but this is the room that I have. And they're doing some construction next door of another building. So that is it for now. So you also have the phone for everything you need. If you want to get service, just one-touch service. You got emergency, you have the operator, the deck restaurant if you want food, and then you have customers, I guess the other customer service. Just a regular phone, but it also has your numbers up here if you want to call the rooms, if you want to make calls outside, local calls or international calls. These are all the things you need. And here's the phone. If you do smoke in the building, there is a service charge, just so you know. Kindly note that for your safety and comfort of all rooms and hotels are designed as non-smoking. Smoking is prohibited in the room and everywhere inside the building. A penalty charge of $300 will be posted to your account. Please do not hesitate to contact One Touch Service Team for any further clarification, other services by dialing the button with the logo, the hand touch logo, One Touch logo on your phone. Thank you for choosing us. We appreciate your understanding management. So you are not allowed to smoke. There's of course the remote. And that's it, guys. That is the room. So I ordered room service for breakfast. We got a fruit platter, very minimal. So we got papayas, watermelon, and pineapple. And then they sent me some croissants as well. There aren't very many vegan options. That's definitely not vegan, but what choice do I have? I can't only eat that. So sometimes I have to make exceptions in West Africa. People ask me about that all the time. I make exceptions sometimes with carbs, like with bread. So I'm eating croissants as well today. So that is my breakfast.
Alright guys, so got the potato wedges, which you notice has been a staple of mine while I'm here. There's some hot pepper and some ketchup, so let's try it. Very good. You do a great job with that.
Alright, you got the fried wontons, the side salad, and then you got the potato wedges. Alright, so today I got the wontons. They're fried. They actually look really good. There's some soy sauce, and they have some other sauces here. Once again, they do not disappoint. These are very good. I love the potato wedges. And then you see the wontons. You see, presentation is not lacking. Very good presentation. The food is just as good. Okay, cool. So that was the Radisson Blu. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that you would stay at the Radisson Blu if you ever came to Sierra Leone? If you do or if you don't, let us know in the comments below. We definitely want to hear from you. And if you've been to Sierra Leone and you stayed at the Radisson Blu, tell me about your experience in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you like this comment, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. With that, guys, see you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.